In this video, we're going to go through how to create a purchase receipt from a purchase order. To begin, we open the relevant purchase order that we want to receipt and click the Enter PO Receipt button. This takes us to the purchase receipt screen. All the information from the purchase order has been copied onto the receipt screen. Notice the supplier has been set, the dates have been set, and the line items have also been set. Next, if we do have a supplier reference number, we can add it in here or leave it blank, and we can enter it in the next stage. Next, we can confirm the quantities that we are receiving by going to the receipt quantity column and editing the values. Also, on the other tabs, we can review any linked orders, any put-away information, any history, billing documents, landed cost information, and other information. Next, we want to click to save the purchase receipt, and under the More menu, we can see other options available to us. So, we could put it on hold, we can release, we can print or email the receipt, and then some other actions and reports on this side. So, next we're going to release this purchase receipt, which means the stock will be committed into stock. We cover additional MYOB advanced workflows in other videos.